Just a quick one today. I have a extra TV in the garage, and I do have a high mounted antenna also in the garage, but it is kind of maxed out in terms of output. So I'm going to build a cheap little antenna based on a tutorial that I saw on YouTube. So to start, about 6 inches down, I'm just going to try to very gently get through the jacket of this insulation without cutting the shielding underneath. Not the shielding, the ground wire that's underneath. Great. I'll just pull this insulation off. That's not easy. And you've got this great grounding wire here. And we want to loosen that up a bit. So it kind of moves down here. Then fold it up over itself. I'm telling you now that this is way easier to do on lower quality coax cable. It is almost impossible. This is a cheaper cable. Probably came with some TV or device that I bought. And this works easily to fold down on itself. It's seriously impossible if you have a higher quality cable. Let me get some tape really quick, and I'll tape it up. I don't think the tape that you use matters so much as long as it holds it in place. I have this gaff tape on hand, so that's what I'm going to use. So you just want to pull this as far down as you can and just kind of pinch it there. And then start taping at the top, making sure to cover all of this ground wire completely. It's not going to be pretty, but you can make it however you want. It's going to hide behind a TV in my garage, so aesthetically it doesn't have to be perfect. There we go. Completely covered. Up here we have the shielding around the copper filament on the inside. We can just cut that away. Just again, being gentle so as not to sever that filament or your finger. Just be slow and deliberate. And then pop that copper out. Cut away any extra. That's it. Got about 6 inches there. We've got about 6 inches here. I've got an end to terminate into a TV, and I'll let you know how it goes. Little update on this project. I plugged it into the garage TV and I got exactly one channel with like 4 sub channels, and it's a local PBS station. So I can't say I'm exactly thrilled with the results. I was trying to watch some sports, so results may vary. I may get better results just by putting some kind of extender to just get some height on that thing. But like I said, I don't know that I want to spend the time on it. So let me know how it goes for you.